guys, my name is Christian Hasmeka, and tonight we're gonna make experiments.
Please.
What do you do?
Subscribe.
Subscribe to Facebook or Instagram.
Yeah.
My Facebook what?
What are we going to do, baby? We're going to make a volcano.
We're gonna make a volcano.
Yeah, with the what's this?
With the sugar.
No, this one.
Baking soda
And
vinegar.
yes, good.
See you soon. Bye bye.
What do we need, baby?
We need papers, baking soda, vinegar, and antimatter, and tape, and cannon.
Yes, what is this?
Cannon.
Funnel.
Funnel.
Funnel and a what is it? Fan.
Or a tray.
Or tray. First, we're going to put this one here.
In the middle.
Yes, we're gonna put the tape under
Yes,
it, okay?
yes.
Or you put it down, we're going to put tape.
Yes.
Okay.
Put the tape.
Put the tape like this, turn, and then stick under. Go, stick it. Yes, okay. Can you get more?
Okay.
Okay.
Roll it.
How?
Like
Yeah.
this.
Put the sticky tape together.
Here. Can you get more, please?
Longer.
Only the longer one.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, okay.
Longer. Pull it.
I'll make it. I'll put it.
Yes, correct.
Okay, and last one.
Pull it first. Good job.
Yeah.
This is the longest.
Mhm.
Make
The
it
longest.
longer.
And then we're going to stick this in the middle of the tray. So stick
Stick this on the tray.
middle of the
Middle of the tray.
what is it?
Yes.
Yeah. See? Guys, see, it's not moving.
It's not moving
You do it.
because there's a tape tight.
You put it down. Okay, next one. See, next.
Next,
We're going to crumple.
to crumble the paper.
Okay, go. Crumple it. Crumple.
Good job.
I'll make it all.
Make it like a ball.
Mhm.
Crumple it tight. Okay.
Crumple. There. There. Okay, and then open it.
Then open it.
Open like this. And then we're going to stick it here. So that this will be our volcano. Okay?
I'll help you with the tape.
Okay, mommy will help us to tape. Yeah.
Yes, yes. You almost got the way how to do it.
Yes. Remember, you leave the
Or
hole open. Okay? Do not put paper on the hole. Okay?
Hands.
Ay, naku. You're not doing
Give me
the
the
egg.
funnel.
You're not doing the ano na. Okay?
Make it like a volcano.
I'll go. You stick in here.
Put it tape.
I'll put the tape on the back or in the front.
There, around the neck of the bottle.
Here,
Yes, correct.
Yes, good job.
make a circle.
Yeah.
Some more tape.
Mhm.
And
Some more here. Uy, Hansi.
okay,
Put in here. Oh, this one is.
You can do hyperlapse. You want to do hyperlapse.
Sige.
Let's pause it.
Now?
now it looks like a volcano.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, and then the next step is next.
Next time we have to put vinegar here.
You need to use the funnel.
We have to use a funnel.
That's not it. Open it.
Is this sugar vinegar?
No, it's not. It's just a vinegar. Regular vinegar. Okay?
Pour.
Let's pour it.
All of
Yeah.
it? Not all, ah.
Only half. Okay? See.
I cannot do it.
Go. See. Pour only half. See.
Or only half.
I will help you.
Done.
Is it half? Not yet. Come on.
Alright.
This tastes very sour.
Of course.
Smells like. That taste smells like sour.
Okay, and then this is it.
This is it. Put baking soda.
Yes, let's see what will happen if we put on baking soda, okay?
Pour.
Dun, 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 dun.
And you pour it.
You have to watch it,
Oy,
otherwise you won't
It's
see
your vlog.
what's gonna happen.
Both of the flag.
The vlog. This is
Okay.
your vlog. This is not my vlog.
You want to put some food color?
Who's that?
Yeah.
Okay, so
We can put on color like color red or
I only have green.
green. Oh, yeah, there's a lava color, green lava.
Okay, enough.
I can see it.
Okay, we will put baking soda here.
You have to put here with
Not yet, not yet. No, we need to make it like this.
The wait,
You can't, you have to count.
wait, I get this. Put it on the top.
Okay,
Oh, you put baking soda here on the panel. Go.
Oh yeah, in my face.
Put in here. Go. We need to fill out the funnel with the baking soda. Okay. Then we will open it later. Go. Go, make fill it up.
more.
Up to this side.
Yes, cover
Yeah.
everything.
Put
More.
everything.
Yes, you have to put a lot.
Oh, shoot. What it smells like?
Oh, what does it taste?
What it smells like?
Like. No, more.
So on?
Yeah, you have to put a lot, otherwise you won't see the
Fill it
effect.
out. Fill it. Go.
Okay?
Go. More.
Last one.
Okay. There you go. Good.
Now this is.
We're going to.
We're going to put it. We're gonna pour it here.
Yeah, mix it with the.
Mix it with the
Where's it inside?
green lava.
Yes,
Yeah.
green lava. Okay, let's see.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Okay.
One.
Ready? See.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Okay, ready? Ayan, you move out. Where's the stick? Wait a minute. You sit down.
I am nervous.
Why?
I'm a little bit nervous because it's about to come out.
Yes, we need to poke it. See, you need to.
We need to book it.
Uy, put it down. Ready?
It's coming.
Is it coming?
Yeah, about. Like, don't you tell me. And all this. Wait. It. Oh, I have to move standard so it won't be wet.
Look,
No,
no, look, the lava is coming out. Yeah.
Put more so. Put it also it will come out on. Look this stuff. Whoa, our finance wet. We have to change it.
Yes, we need to use the paper only. Okay, ready?
There you go. Yeah, you put it on. Ah, it's coming out. It's coming out. It's coming out. My God. It's it. Come.
Yeah. Did you see the green lava?
Yeah, it's here.
Yeah.
I want to put it more.
More what?
It's turning to green baking soda.
Yeah, of course.
It tastes like.
Smells like.
Smells like candy.
Tastes like.
Oh, it's not white. Yes, lots of green now.
Yeah.
More, it's not going up yet.
More what? More baking soda.
Put more baking soda. But I have to put more vinegar. The vinegar.
Don't have any more
No
vinegar
more
than that.
vinegar. You need to buy again. Only baking soda.
I have to put baking soda. All. Coming.
See? There's a bubble.
When did you come out?
Okay.
When?
Already come out though, all of it. Oh, see?
Oh, see, now we're done na.
No more na. Okay.
See you soon. Bye bye.
So that's ours eh.
That's our experiment.
Okay. Oh.
Hope we'll see you soon.
You?
Bye bye. We hope you. We hope you will see like. See you soon. Bye bye. And click here to subscribe. And my YouTube channel.